Hello everyone to a new episode of Salesforce courses relating to flows. Last time we just took care of the process builder, and also we will go on with the process builder by now, as the process builder is pretty good, pretty cool tool in Salesforce. And this tool is going to be really important, and that is why we are going on with it. So last time we took care of the emails and also about the other stuff, like conditions and fields, and right from there on we will go on. Let's say we are going on the emails, right? We are putting in a new, or we have already put a new process builder in here, and so just to change the fields, but for now I just want to go on with that. So this is our status from yesterday. We don't need to put anything. We are able to change something. Let's investigate the actions a little bit. Yeah. What we're gonna do? So we are just already have put this condition, and if the condition of phone is arrived or has arrived, then it's gonna be like working. Yeah. And yesterday we just proved that it is working. And now we will go on with that. Yeah, the condition we can leave alone. We just know the condition. We can go on a specific object like this, or a specific record, in this case. This is going to be our task or our test record. And so we are going to go like this. So let's investigate the actions with nothing else. Yeah, we just leave alone the conditions and go like the actions. Apex, I won't cover it by today, because Apex is a little bit heavier and just for the developers, and that's why I will skip this. But I will tell you a little bit about this. So with Apex you can call an Apex class, and this class needs to have a specific interface, I would say. I think that's enough of information. Create a record. Let's go for this. And then we are going the whole bunch. The other things I'm not explaining. Just go for a record, right? We are just creating, let's say we are creating, create a contact. Yeah. So a record, you can create everything you want to, just to make sure that we created it really. So we go to contacts. Okay, I make it really in a new tab, so to make sure that I have all the other stuff in there as well. And then I go like the contact. So we are just creating a contact. Yeah? Nothing else. It's just an example. You can create some kind of standard objects. Some are covered, some are not. Yeah? Or many are covered and some are not. See the documentation for more information. It's just I'm going to the basic stuff here. And also there's also the custom objects for sure that you can create, but for now let's leave it like the contact, right? So we are going with the contacts, and we say the last name is like test contact 2020 10/01. Let's say this is going to be the name. Let's hit save, and that would be it. Yeah, just to be sure, we go into the list before, and we have a list of 5 items, and now we are hitting activate, as I mentioned yesterday. Yeah, then we wait a little bit, and then we are hitting save in here. So for now, the action before was like the change, or is it changed? No, it's okay. So this is only happening if the Einsatzort is true, is null, right? So if we are going like this, that is the condition we need to meet, and then we hit save. And only then a contact is going to be created, right? So yesterday we already proved that this one has been created, so only on this condition, so we don't need to put it right here. Yeah. So now it's going to be Berlin, that's right, and also it's creating a contact, right, like this. Now just create a contact. Maybe this is going to be the contact for Berlin, yeah, and so it's fine, yeah. So now we have a little bit investigated the action. Next one. We will investigate not only this action. Let's go for we create a contact, and also we create another contact. We create maybe an account. Yeah, you just create an account, and let's go for the account. So I will just put 2 objects in here just to show you that's pretty easy to do something. And also you're able to add some rows just for more information. Yeah, let's say we are putting like the billing city is like Frankfurt. Yeah, and another field you can scroll through this. The email address is gonna be like, let's put my email address, christoph.lieske.programming@gmail.com. Yeah, and now we are going like the account name. It's like test 1032 minus 10 minus 1. That's gonna be the name, and we hit save. So we have some fields in there for sure. Now we can activate it again. We will wait a little bit, and we'll meet the conditions again. So we need to put in a null value. So now we are creating a contact again. Let's go for the accounts, but we are creating a contact again. Yeah, as in here. Now there are 7 items, and also we created an account, some kind of this one. And also we need to go into the account just to make sure that all the stuff has been put. Some kind of the name is fine, the email address is also fine, and also let's go for the billing address. Yeah, the billing address is Frankfurt by now. So this is going to be put in. So the contact has no specific stuff in there. Let's go to the details, but there's no specific stuff in there. As we didn't do we didn't put any fields. Yeah, that is why there's no specific stuff in there. But now let's change the process builder. Like we're cloning it again. We're hitting save, and then we are going like changing the account. It's also possible. We can change for sure the name in here. Yeah, let's say it's not really a string. It's gonna be a field reference. So you could put it to a field of the lead. So let's put it to the, let's say, the phone number. So now you know that they are maybe related to each other, and I guess it's fine. And also put a field again. So let's say it's about what we can see. Let's go for the contact. Let's go for the for the phone. Phone is cool. So let's go for the phone. Yeah. So the phone is going to be put to. Let's go for the home phone. It's going to be put not to a string. It's like field reference, and also the phone of the lead, right? It's like the phone. Yeah. Let's hit choose, and they are linked to each other. Let's hit save. And now we got this information. We just go to the list again. Yeah, that's why we're going back in here, and we go to the process builder, go like fine, and now we are going to our test lead and hitting this one. Yeah, as you can see here, the power of Salesforce is pretty good because we are able to. Okay, now we got a duplicate. That's good. That's good. Yeah. Because I think actually I don't know why. So now we have to investigate for sure. So the process builder is related to some other stuff. Let's say we just need to phone change process fed. Put Einsatz on phone change. Put Einsatzort on phone change. Yeah, that's gonna be yeah. Put Einsatz on phone change is gonna be the name of the process. And we have a duplicate record, and that is why we need to do another thing, right? The process is not working, so we're gonna go like clone the one, and then we create a contact. Create a contact like, oh no, let's say we are creating the account, or some of this values can be wrong, right? So either the home phone is duplicated, or just the billing city, or the email address. That is why we have to investigate it. So it belongs to the flow, and that is why we are going for it. So let's say it's the account, yeah. That's one possibility. But we are going onto the account. This is because we can read it in here. We are creating the account, and so we are investigating the account. The billing city is a standard field, so we know it's not a duplicate on this. Also, the name cannot be a duplicate. So let's go for the email address. This can be a duplicate, but it's also a standard field, so I guess it's no duplicate. Oh no, it's unique. Great. So the email address of this one should be unique. And yeah, that's just the case. That is why it's not working, right? Don't allow duplicate values. Yeah, don't allow duplicate values. That's the email field, and then we don't allow duplicate values. That is why we go like not a field reference. We just investigate another one. We investigate the formula. Yeah, the formula can also be chosen. And so we're going like creating a random. Let's go advanced and then random. No, advanced is not working. Let's go for the mathematical one, random. Let's go for the logical one. When I think random is not existing. Random, no, not really. Let's say number. Let's say we are going through this. Ceiling distance x floor, geolocation, ln log ceiling floor mod advanced. No. Let's go for the advanced one. We are going like this. No. Let's go for the date time, and now we have at month date time value. Well, I think we will just go for the date value for sure. That's the first one. Let's go for it. The date value. Oh no! Now we are creating a date out of a value. Okay, that's not what I want to. I just want to. It's not working. Okay, let's go for month. The now, today, weekday, now, day. We cannot get a second at a time. Yeah, and that's not pretty good. So it's a little bit uncomfortable, to be honest. Let's go to another formula, so that you have the overview about this. So the formulas, you got something like let's say it's a date time. The output doesn't matter. I just want to go to the editor because you have some overview in there. Now you have some different kinds of functions, and then there you gotta have this one. Returns the year, monthly, and GMT time value. No, not like this. Let's say we can get the hour in here, and also we can get like the great on the account. That is what we need. Yeah, we need a field that will have the right, yeah, let's say it's called now, and the now will be like to put in the value of now. It's gonna go like a text, and then let's say we're gonna go like the now, and then we hit the year of now. Yeah, we're gonna get the year of now, then we're gonna get the month of now, then we're gonna get the day of now. And then we're gonna get the hour of now. Then we're gonna get the minute, I think. I hope that's also working. Can I put in the minute? I guess yes. That's gonna be the limit of now. And also we need to put in the second of now, right? So this is gonna be our number. But what we're gonna do, we need to put some stuff in between. So like this one, some dashes, so to be sure that we are getting a string at the end. So now let's put in the dash or the minus. It's like this one, the day, the hour, and the minute. And this the second, yeah. So you can do it per second or something. Yeah, syntax. It's an extra. There's an extra parentheses. Yeah. Let's check the syntax again. Again, an extra one. So there's gonna be an extra. Too many of them. Now we can hit checkbox or check syntax. And it needs to be green. Year, expected date, received date time. Okay. So it's only getting, not getting the date, right? Year, month, and day. To be honest, it's gonna be a crap. So now we are just not able to get the right thing of now. Needs to be to get a date of this. Okay, let's put let's say we are putting this one. Let's try it, the text. That's what we have to try. Let's try the text, and with text we are putting in the now. Yeah, the now, and then we're hitting check syntax. Then we're gonna go like wait a little bit. Yeah, it's green. So this is gonna be it. We're just putting in text. Let's make it visible for the administrator, and we are going in and hit save. Right. So for now we have the now one. So now we can just hit refresh. And after refreshing, we go in there again, and we go in like the account, and the account needs to be a formula, and the formula is like we have this one, Christoph.lieske.programming plus something. It's gonna be the now value of here. So that's going to be the lead, right? We need to put in the now value on the lead for sure. That is what we made wrong. Yeah. Now we should just go on the lead, create the field again. So that is why we have those tools, right? We now go like put a formula. Now we are just have practiced. Let's put in now. Let's put in the text. And let's go like on the account, so we don't need to put in this again. We just can get it right away from there. Let's go for now. And let's go like this. Let's text now, hit next. So it doesn't matter who can see it in this environment. We are just in a sandbox. Let's hit save. And now we just need to, let's give it a try if it's working. I don't know really, but it's not working. So we need to refresh it again. After refreshing, we need to go to the right process again, and then we will just create a new account. Yeah? And then we just go there, formula, still Christoph.lieske.programming plus. And we're gonna get the now number. Now it's created. And then we're gonna get, so we need to put in like this, right? Yes. Plus at gmail.com. It's gonna working. Use this formula, hit save. Activate this one and give it another try, right? Let's hit save. Invalid email address, so that's gonna be okay. That's really an invalid email address, yeah. So because there's a double point in there, and so we need to change it a little bit. So we need to change the formula field for sure. That is what you're gonna do. You just change the formula field and you get something like the formula now. Actually, we should get the text. That's fine. And from the text, we should get like left. We just take away something from the left side. Yeah. And we are putting away the 4 signs, I would say. Let's go for the error again. We go for like 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Not really. That's just yeah. That's a time, correct? And we will replace the double points by, or just only. We need to replace the double points. I get. No. Let's just replace something, right? This is called a substitute in here. We go like is it replace? No, it's no substitute. And then we get the text. We get the old text. It's like double point, and we get nothing. Yeah? We're just putting in nothing. Then hit save. Then it's gotta be fine. Let's hit save. Now we need to get the dashes, I guess. This is what we have to make sure that the dashes are also away. That's okay. I would say it's okay. Let's go like edit. And let's also substitute something. Yeah. Let's put this out. Let's substitute something. The old text is gonna be this, and the new text is gonna be nothing. Then we hit quick save just to stay in here. It's green, it's okay. Let's hit save. It's still not working. Sure. Maybe too long, or maybe just because it's a number. But I don't think so. Let's give it a try for a record, to be honest. Yeah. But this is how you are working with flows for sure. Let's put in something like 1, 2, 3, 4. Save. Actually, that's working. Let's put in the same value as in here. Let's put in exactly the same value, right? Where the heck? So this is going to be the value. So in between there's just like, okay, this is wrong for sure. So we need to put out the spaces. Let's give it another. Let's go. Yeah, let's give it another try. So let's put it out, and let's just take this one. Maybe the double points have not been the problem, but for now we know what to do. We just substitute for sure. Yeah, we just need to substitute not the dashes, but empty spaces by nothing. Yeah. Let's hit quick save. Takes a little bit of time. Okay, let's hit save just to try it out. Maybe it's working yet. Okay, it's I don't know. It's just gone. So for now, it's just still the double points, still the dashes. Maybe we also need to put out them. Okay, that is why we are going on the now again. Yeah, it's like the now. Sometimes. Okay. There's the now. We'll just hit edit, and then we're gonna go for like substitute it again. Yeah, we just get this out. We're putting it in here. Just hit substitute. Let's hit text, and we are substituting the double point for sure. For nothing. Hit quick save. That's great. Let's hit save again. Duplicates are detected. Why is that? So we're not cutting anything. We are just putting in the stuff. This should be the seconds, to be honest. So there are still duplicates, okay. So now we need to figure out where this is coming from. Yeah, let's go for this one. So it can be from the account, but it also can be from the contact, right? And so what we need to do, we need to clone this one. The last one we just already saved yet, and we're just putting this out, right? We just get it out, put out the account one. Let's hit activate, and let's go for if it's working or not. Let's hit save. So it's kind of working. What we have seen now, it's working. The contact is working, right? So we're gonna go for the other one. We're gonna go for this one here again. So we don't need to clone anything, I guess. I think we need to clone it again. Let's clone this one. And now what we are doing, we just put out the account, the contact, delete, confirm. Then we hit activate. Then we are going and fulfill the credentials. Then it's saying there is going to be a duplicate, right? So there's going to be the account, and the account will be a duplicate. So the email address, let's go for the email address, just to investigate it a little bit. It's going to be filled with the formula, right? So let's go for the formula. Neu laden, or load a new. Let's go for the formula, and let's have a look what this formula is. This is going to be this. 10. The first, no, that's going to be the first of October 2020. That's fine. And let's hit again. Now it changed a little bit. Okay, maybe we just need to refresh this. That's fine. But no, there's a duplicate. Still a duplicate. Why is that? Maybe there's a recursion. No, there's no recursion. So in the process, we cannot investigate why this. Let's put out the field here. Let's put out the other field. Let's hit test. Let's put out this. Let's hit save. And let's go for Deactivate. Yeah, let's just test it around, and also we will save this. This is not going to be a duplicate. We don't want to figure out which kind of information we had last time, so we go like on this version. So there's gonna be this one again. So let's say we just cloning it, hit save. We are just putting out the one line, right? So let's say we're putting out this. Hit save, activate, and now we're just going to fulfill the credentials again. Hit save, and there's a duplicate. Okay. Now there's a duplicate. Okay, great. So let's say we are just, that is not so important to put the field by now. So I don't know why there's a duplicate. Maybe this is something about the system, but I want to show you something about the process builder. So, but also we need to investigate. Yeah, that's a task as some people who are doing it. So we're just putting in the right email address. We're just hitting, or we're cloning, hitting save. Then we're gonna get a new version. Then we're gonna get the account, and also we just put out Frankfurt, and then we're gonna hit save. But maybe it's really because of the name. I don't hope so. Let's hit save. No. It's going to be created. As you can see here, there have been created a couple of accounts, or one account, at least one account. So then, that's a contact. Let's go for this, and also for the contacts, for the accounts. Yeah, we just have some accounts. Maybe there's a field in the background, just what is unique. Yeah, we would have to investigate this, and I don't want this. So I just wanted to show you about the formula for sure, and also some other stuff, and also to combine it with fields in Salesforce. That's also possible. Let's go on. Let's hit another action. Let's just put out this action. Just delete this and confirm. So we don't have to another one, and also this one. Let's delete this as the field will remain empty. And now what we have to do is maybe like sending an email, email send. That is also possible. And let's say we know already an email alert, yeah? And then we will send it to the email of the lead. Yeah, that's going to be written in the email template or email alert. Yeah? It's going to be written to the lead itself. So just to show you, and I already showed you in the last episode, I know, but for now I will also go like this. This is going to be our thing by now. Yeah, that's going to be this by now. And let's go for, let's close this one, let's close this one, that's right, just fulfill the credentials. That is what we need to do again. Just hit save, and now there should be send an email to me. Yeah. Now there's going to send an email. That's not about the content, so I don't need to open it, but it's about the email, so that is fine. We are staying in the right or in the same condition all the time. We are not changing any condition, right? So what we can do is also to hit flows. That is how we can link flows and process builders, as they are written in the backend as flows as well. We can post to Cheddar. This is what we're going to do now. Post to Cheddar. Let's say we post to Cheddar group. Let's say we post to Cheddar group Salesforce courses or course. I don't know. Let's see. We need to go to the groups. No, let's go to a group. Yeah, we are putting something into a group. Let's go like recent groups. Let's go like open it. Let's go like test group. We need to just put in the test group. It's just private. It's disabled, and let's hit save. This is gonna be it. Hit next. Hit done. We need to put, what's it called? Test group, right? We are just going for test group, and the test group is like put in here, and then we need to get the message, just a message, yeah, hello world. Yeah, we need to choose this one, and then we hit save, hit activate, and then we say hello world in there. So just to make sure nothing is in there, we will hit refresh. Yeah, nothing is in here. Now we hit the conditions for the lead. Let's hit save. And I guess now, or it should be that, that there's gonna be created a message. Now here's a message, hello world. This is gonna happen like this. So let's say we're cloning again. We are not posting to Cheddar. We are just going to delete this one again. Let's go for add action. We can also put another process. Yeah, we can just activate another process for this. It's a bigger one. I won't do this. We can go for a quick action. That's pretty interesting, to be honest. Global actions, object. Let's go for the object, and let's see. We go for the lead one, and then we go for. Okay, it's pretty cool, to be honest. We can go for quick actions, and then we can choose some values in there, and to make the quick actions happen. Yeah. For quick actions, they are some predefined values, and that's why that's a pretty good one. That is not what we're gonna do now, or is it? It's great. Yeah, it's like a scan lead. Yeah, we are going for this, and then we need to go for the field reference. Let's say we are going for the lead. Let's go. We are going for the ID. The ID. Record type? No, sorry, this is not a record type. This is the ID. It's like the record ID, master record ID, individual ID. No, that's the lead ID. Yeah, that's the lead ID. And let's say we need to put the last name for sure. This is going to be the last name of the lead. Yeah, that's just in the prerequisite of this here. Let's hit save. No, not really. The company, it shouldn't change. That is why we are putting it in the company as it is, right? Let's put in the company. Let's hit kein lead. I just show you the quick action a little bit, just to make sure that you know the quick action already. Let's go for the lead. Let's go for this one. Let's go for this one, and let's go for the quick action. Kein lead. This one. So there are some predefined values, and there's a new value for the message. So the message will be set to false. There's no lead will be set to true, and also the language will be set to Sonstige. Yeah, so like this. That is gonna be the new, or the scan lead. Yeah. So now we have this one in here. Just to refresh, and the field is just put to nothing. Yeah. And after refreshing, or after hitting the process, for sure that needs to be done. Yeah. Let's go like this. We're going on this. It's not in there. Yeah, the kein lead one is not put. So let's just save the one, because the conditions are met, as you can see here, the location. Let's hit save, and the lead is still in the condition. Let's go for the quick action. So in here we didn't put the field, right? Just hit save. We leave the data as it is, and then hit activate. So as a quick action is just like putting this one to true. It's gonna doing it in the process builder as well. So we just going like this, hit save, and then needs to be the hook. Yeah. And yeah. Now you can see that is checked. Yeah. So this is how this is gonna working. Yeah. Let's go for the clone one. Yeah. That's gonna go for the quick actions. Let's put it out, and let's hit add action again. Now we are going for the quick actions again. Now so we can get global quick actions. They're not only working on objects, they're also working on different kind of fields. I guess it's done on this object. It's just because of the quick action. We can also get another quick action and to create objects or something like this. Yeah, this is something like this. Quip, send custom notification, submit for approval, and something like that, and also update records. Yeah, update records is nearly the same as create records, just updating this and say which kind of record you want to update and which exact record you want to update, and then you can go like this. So this is gonna be the process builder. Great. Actually, I think that's fine for now. So this is gonna be the process builder, and I hope you enjoyed. Have a nice day.